DS diving service here. It is August 25th, 2021. We're here at the Air BNB. I have completely cleaned her entirely. I've noticed a few things. I've noticed that the port side gets more length of sunlight over the course of the day, and so does the starboard. Then the rear, this rear probably only gets about maybe 3 hours of sunlight. Also, the paint on both of these, both port and starboard side, is faded more. I'm going to be back out to check this boat in about 12-13 days, which is the amount of time we sat, to see how much fouling has accrued. Let's take a look, starting at the back. Port side, or starboard. Yeah, I guess this is the front of the boat, so this would be the port side. No paint there. It's going to be black in 2 days. No paint there. It's going to be black in 2 days. Paint very light in all these areas, completely missing in those areas. It's almost futile for me to bother cleaning that off, because within the end of the day, it's going to be back there just like that. We're here at the back of the vessel. I would definitely recommend scrub brush on this more regularly. As you can see, it's missing bottom paint all along these areas from where it's been cleaned. So there's probably going to be algae and green stuff on there within 10 days. If we come back to rub it off, guess what? We're taking more bottom paint. Every time we clean it, some bottom paint comes with it. We're coming to the fourth and final side of the vessel, and you can see she's been cleaned. I'm guessing she's going to have some green stuff on her pretty soon. Also, you can see she is hovering just at the water line. The other side of the boat, the paint is sitting up this high above the water line. This water line is sitting slightly above the paint, which means as hard as I scrubbed on this stuff, it is not coming off. If I scrub too hard, I am going to take your bottom paint with it. There's just no other way to do it. Choosing DS timing. You can see she's all clean. Let's see what she looks like in 30 days.